going to the security area now. The check-in process is pretty smooth. Now we are boarding. We are sailing towards to the storm. I get seasick easily, so on our celebrity reflection cruise, we booked a midship cabin for stability. What we didn't realize, we are right above the lifeboats, and now we are heading into rough weather. But I'm not stressed because I've got the motion sickness routine that actually works. Stay with me. I'm showing you the cabin tour and my executive's nest. Let's go to our room. This is our room 7312. They put the key card usually here, so it's about time we meet. Okay, let's see. Just tap it here and then voila! Welcome, welcome! Welcome to our room. Wow, wide open, so you can see like feel much more spacious, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So the bed I can feel it's soft. Well, it's kind of okay.
Too bad, huh?
It's a little bit firm. Yeah, if you like a soft bed, maybe you need to tell your steward. And so this is a TV right here, and they have a safe, so you can put your valuable, passport, wallet here, and then the mini fridge is here. So here, anything you want to use is extra. Yeah, you have to pay. Even if you purchase the drink package, you still have to pay. This is a separate system, so you have to pay. So lots of storage here, the drawer. This is 3 drawers. Or spacious for you to put your stuff. Or there's a nice couch here. Okay, but when you sit down, you have to sit down slowly. First time I sit down, I said, oh, let's couch. And I sit down, oh my God. It's kind of firm, so not very cushy, so a little bit thin pad, so kind of hurt your butt. And there's a nice dress table here, desk, and then the curtain. So I find this, how to open the door, they have a handlebar over here. So actually, you don't really hear anything outside, right, Mark?
No, I don't hear anything.
Very quiet, right?
Yeah.
But once you unlock this door, you do like this. You heard it? Did you hear it? Right?
Yeah,
you heard
right
the noise
away.
right away. Yeah, so this is a really good insulation from the noise.
Wow.
So this is the balcony room we have.
Still in port in the Everglades, Fort Lauderdale.
And our room is right above the safety boat right down here. So you probably can hear the noise right now. So we are on the deck 7, so kind of in the middle of the ship. The ship is a 15.
A little bit back more in the
Yeah,
stern.
15 is an aft deck too. Yeah, so they have 2 balcony chair, 1 big table. That's pretty nice. Okay, let's go inside. It's kind of really humid right now. Okay, oh, inside is really cool. Nice and cold here. Oh, be careful, watch your steps. Whoa, who's knocking?
Something fell off next up doors, maybe.
Okay, let's close it. See?
Oh yeah, it locks, doesn't it?
Yeah, you don't hear any noise. Isn't it nice? So there's a TV right there. You have a phone, and then you turn the lights on. The switch is in the bottom right here. Okay. And you have the little cabinet right here. You can put your cell phone charger over there. And oh, here's a closet. So closet, we put our clothes in here already. So they have a lot of hangers. Well, probably like 20. That's a lot, right? Yeah. So this, you can put something here like this too. This can push it down and hang more. Oh, let's take a look at the shower. Oh, I like they have this, like you can hang clothes. Here is a shower.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, they remodeled this ship, so everything looks like a pretty modern. And look, I can open wide my arms. I can still have some space, but I'm short, so, but still really nice. And they have a towel over here, and a shower head. They have a shampoo. They have a conditioner, shower gel right here. Okay, shower head you can move around. So that's nice. It's pretty spacious. Look, let's see. So for me, it's pretty good. How about for Mark? Mark, you go inside.
Well, you know me and showers a little bit different.
Yeah, so for him, for Mark, it's pretty tight for him.
But it's pretty good.
Okay, he can.
Pretty good.
Okay, so maybe, well, it's okay.
Yeah,
it's
good.
tight, but
good.
he can still move around his
Almost
arms.
the same as our place.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
So, and then even inside the shower, they have the hook right here, so you can hang your clothes. So it's nice. They have the full size mirror right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I think this is a.
Oh, this is a bed up here.
Yeah, the ceiling right here.
It's a bunk bed up there.
Yeah, it's a bunk bed that can lower the bed. So if you have more
I think they
passengers.
say you can sleep 3.
This one, because of this open view, so you feel like the room is much bigger and
Yeah.
not claustrophobic, right?
Oh, yeah, not at all.
Okay, so overall, I think we're pretty happy about the
It's
room,
all
right?
Huh?
I think it's pretty nice that you have a balcony room, right?
Definitely.
We don't really need to join the sailaway party. We can just enjoy the whole
Enjoy
view.
the lightning.
Enjoy the lightning. We are sailing towards into the storm. Please give us a good weather sailing. Everything's safe.
That's what we get.
That evening, we just kicked back and soaked in this amazing sunset. We even caught some lightning flashing across the sky. It was wild. The sea was a bit rough, but I have got this special routine I stick to, and it totally keeps me from getting seasick. It's time to take my seasick pill because I'm very easy to get seasick, motion sickness. So even though the cruise ship is big, huge, I'm still not trust myself. So I need to take a seasick pill 30 minutes prior to set sail. So now it's good time. Okay, besides that, I have my secret weapon. This is my secret weapon. Last time I wore them when we on the Carnival cruise ship, and then one day on the sea day, the sea was really rough, and I put this on. I was good. I didn't even feel dizzy or anything at all. How this work? So there's a little ball here, so you wear them like this, and make sure that they are pressing down thing right here, not anywhere else, but here you have to press down right here, and then they kind of I don't know what's the theory here, but it did help me a lot for sickness. So my accessories. And also my other secret weapon is if I do feel like vomiting, I always have like dry plum I will take to reverse the acid. And another thing good or worse for me is the mint candy. Was really good for me too. So this is all my secret weapon for preventing motion sickness weapon. So every time I have to bring it. If you, like me, easy to get seasick, you can buy this online on Amazon. I will link it down below. So buy this one. It's really working for me. I hope it will work for you too. Okay. If you are debating veranda versus a higher category cabin or worry about booking above the lifeboats like we were, hopefully this video helped. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next. And stick around, our full day at the Coco Cay is coming up.